vloggers. Join my channel membership today to be a part of each and every vlog that I upload. It starts at 99 cents. Hey to all of my Gems family. I am here in Atlanta, Georgia, and we are on our way to Lennox Mall. So come along for the ride. Make sure you hit the like, you subscribe, and you leave me a comment in the comment section below. This store, I Heart ATL, has lots of items. If you're looking for some ATL memorabilia, this is not sponsored, but I saw lots of cutesy stuff, t-shirts, and so on. So take a look if you're ever in Lennox Square Mall. Lisa, look at this. Hey, Lisa, look at this. Wow. Yes. Yes. Hi everybody, this is, what's your name? Monique from Cammy Cakes here at the Lennox Mall. Come by and give her a visit. Oh wow, looks so good. Oh, strawberry cheesecake. Oh wow. This is gorgeous. Hi. Great. Thank you. Yama, yama.
Look at this. And you got some gravy to go with it. Ooh. Look at that gravy.
Yeah.
How is your food, Marlene?
I don't know. I haven't tried it yet, but look at it. It looks delicious.
Zoom in. Mashed potatoes, asparagus, and what is that? Top sirloin?
It's a ribeye with grilled onions. Lisa, look at how
Now
juicy.
that's-
Lisa, look at me cut it. The juice is already coming out. Look. It's juicy. Ooh. Look at that.
Enjoy. Enjoy, my dear sister. All right, the first bite is always nice. Yes, honey. So juicy.
Fresh strawberry. And then I'm getting
Fresh strawberry on top of the original cheesecake.
fresh strawberries on top of the original cheesecake. That's your request, sister?
Yes, it is.
Congratulations to my beautiful sister.
Yeah. You're welcome.
As you can see, Lennox Mall is a wonderful mall. If you're in Atlanta, stop on by.